Hello, Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV. Today we're looking at a brand new 2020 Forest River Rockwood Signature Edition 8332 BS rear kitchen. 3 slide outs, 8,838 pound dry weight, 2 30-pound LP tanks, power tongue jack, nice spot to hold your 7-way plug. Large battery box. We ordered this with the side toppers. Nice storage underneath the bed. Outside shower with water connections. Walking around to the back, 50 amp service. We did order this with 2 air conditioners. Full-length ladder, prepped for a backup camera. We have 2 awnings, one on the slide out, which will cover up your outside kitchen. And your outside speakers, and then you've got another full-length awning here with the hard shell cover. Prep table, you can hook your TV up outside. Controls for your auto leveling. Step above, 3 entry step, folds right up into the camper, nice and clean. Entering into the 8332, you'll see the rear kitchen. You're looking at the chocolate decor, maple cabinetry, sleeps 4 comfortably. You do have a tri-fold sleeper sofa. It does have storage underneath it. More cabinetry. Theater seats do recline, have storage, have removable tables. Heat and massage. Overhead lights, large gas electric refrigerator, pantry, rear kitchen gives you a lot more countertop space, overhead storage, bigger oven in this than most, LED lights on the front, flush mount cover. Flush mount cover for your sink. Does have 2 stainless steel sinks with the divider. Table and chairs do have storage underneath each cushion. And a countertop extension there. That's your outside grill that hooks up on the outside. Large fireplace, sound bar. Your TV does fold out with storage behind it. Side hallway to the bedroom. You do have a solid door to both the bathroom and the bedroom, and then you've got a pocket door where you can get to the bathroom from the bedroom. Magnetic latches on the bottom, keeps the doors out of the way. IRV control panel lets you sync your phone, and you can control the slides, check your levels, all your controls right in one touch. Large corner shower, glass doors. Skylight, we did do the max air fan. More storage here. King size bed, more storage. There are drawers underneath and storage accessible from the outside. Nice large window up front. Your second AC, all ducted in. Large wardrobe and drawers underneath. Charging center. Got receptacles as well. Another TV in the bedroom. This brand new 2020 Forest River Rockwood Signature 8332BS, located in Yorktown, Virginia, Dodd RV. Please give me, Scott Hudgins, a call today, 757-833-3633. Thank you. Have a good day.